came from the East. Honorable soldiers with undying loyalty.
Okuji-san is coming to America to teach Shogo how to lead.
Is that good or bad?
That depends on who you are.
But as the world's most powerful gang corrupts Stillwater with a deadly alliance.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Okuji. Shall we get down to business?
The Ronin have a stake in Poseidon's palace.
Okay, so what's the plan?
You and I enter the casino here. We need to distract this security guard. Gatto have to sneak past the guards to cut the power.
They will face the Saints.
But what if we just start here, walk into the casino, and just shoot all the motherfuckers that are between us and the money?
Well,
It would be a lot faster.
And a lot more fun.
You two have humiliated my family for the last time!